Our new LED mirror comes in variety of colors, with ultra-high definition high reflectance lenses. The low reflection glare handles are ultralight, autoclavable and nickel-free. The light turns on and off with a quick clip of the button. The LED light source slides into the dental mirror handle and it is powered with 2 AAA batteries. On the left is our LED mirror and on the right is a conventional mirror. The LED dental mirror combines an ultra-high definition lens with our super bright LED lights. It is easy to see the increased visibility and how using the LED mirror will improve your clinical experience. To autoclave, simply remove the tail cap and take out the light. The mirror handle and the tail cap are fully autoclavable. Replacing the 2 AAA batteries is simple to do and you can use rechargeable batteries. After replacing the batteries, insert the light back into the mirror handle and replace the tail cap. Click the button to turn your light on and off. It has an easy one-click lens replacement system. Press the back of the mirror directly onto the silver stud of the key to release the old plug and mirror. Then insert a new silicone plug and lens. Press the lens onto the flat opposite side of the mirror key to lock it into place.